To create a custom shortcut, go into Final Cut Pro, then go to Commands, Customize. You're going to see this default in the command editor. You're going to want to click Duplicate so that you can create a copy of the default. And then what we are assigning a shortcut for is going to be automatic speed. We can see that there is no shortcut. So if we hold Command down, we can see anything that is gray means it is not being used. So since we're doing speed, why don't we do Command S and save. All right, so this clip is going to be 60 frames a second. So we're just going to drop it down into the end of the timeline. And you will see when we do Command S, automatic speed, automatically save. Boom, perfect. There you go. Hope that helps.